My social media feed has turned into a non-stop highlight reel for under-eye care, and it feels like this specific Korean eye balm is following me everywhere I go lately. It is on the screen when I first wake up, and it is there right before I go to sleep. I finally decided to look past the viral clips and the aesthetic packaging to see if this stuff actually carries any real weight, or if it is just another trend designed to look good in a 30-second video. When you peel back the marketing layers, the formula is actually quite impressive. They are using adenosine, which is a serious heavy hitter with real clinical data showing it helps reduce those tiny fine lines, specifically in the eye area. It works by stimulating collagen synthesis and getting your skin cells to act a bit more energetic than they usually do. Then they threw in niacinamide, which is one of the most researched and reliable ingredients for brightening skin and evening out the look of dark circles. You also get bisabalol for calming down any potential irritation and hyaluronic acid for that deep heat of hydration that almost everyone needs. These are high-quality actives, not just cheap fillers meant to make a label look busy. Every single ingredient here has a documented job to do. The stick format is honestly a huge win for the morning rush. There is no digging your fingers into a messy jar or trying to wash sticky residue off your hands before you put on your clothes. It is clean, fast, and surprisingly practical for someone who does not want to spend 20 minutes on a complicated routine. They kept it fragrance-free and made sure it was dermatologist tested, which is non-negotiable when you are dealing with the sensitive and thin skin around your eyes. The price sits right at $35, which feels reasonable for a formula that actually has science on its side. However, this is where the story takes a turn. If you look at the reviews on their official site, it is nothing but glowing praise and 5-star ratings. But once you look at independent review platforms, the mood shifts very fast. There is a consistent and concerning pattern of people complaining about massive shipping delays and customer service teams that seemingly disappear into thin air when you ask for a refund. People are reporting orders that never show up and emails that go completely unanswered for weeks at a time. It is a frustrating contrast because the product itself is clearly well made, but the logistics side of the company seems to be struggling to keep its head above water. There is also the branding to consider. They lean heavily on the Born in Korean Labs tagline to give it that specific K-beauty prestige. The truth is that adenosine, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid are globally available ingredients used by brands everywhere from Paris to New York. There is nothing inherently or uniquely Korean about the chemistry in this stick. It is a smart marketing play to position themselves in a trendy space, even if the ingredients are standard global favorites. You also have to be realistic about what a topical balm can actually do. If your dark circles are genetic or caused by the structure of your bone or naturally thin skin, a balm is not going to fix that. It can hydrate and smooth, but it cannot change your DNA. It is a solid choice if you can handle the potential headache of a shipping delay, but you should go in with your eyes wide open.